Rapeseed oil include oil pre-treatment machines, pressing machines, and refining machines. These machines can ensure the smooth processing of rapeseed oil and improve production efficiency. The oil pre-treatment machine includes a winding separator, a specific gravity cleaner, a stone remover, and a magnetic separator. Its main function is to remove impurities and foreign objects such as mud, sand, and small stones from rapeseed. The pressing machine includes hydraulic oil presses and screw oil presses, which can press rapeseed and extract rapeseed oil. Refining machines include vacuum deodorization machines, winterization, and dewaxing machines. And winterization and extraction machines, their main function is to further purify rapeseed oil, remove its odors and impurities. In addition, the rapeseed oil filling machine is also part of the rapeseed oil processing machine, which can fill the processed rapeseed oil into containers. In addition to the machines mentioned above, there are also some other machines that can be used for processing rapeseed oil, such as 1. Extractor, used to extract rapeseed oil from oil seeds. 2. Mixing tank, used to mix oil and solvents together for easy leaching. 3. Evaporator, used to evaporate the solvent, leaving pure rapeseed oil. 4. Condenser, used to condense the evaporated solvent into a liquid for easy recycling. 5. Filter, used to remove impurities and foreign objects from rapeseed oil. 6. Storage tank, used to store processed rapeseed oil. These machines can form a complete rapeseed oil processing production line and achieve automated production. When selecting and using these machines, it is necessary to consider factors such as production efficiency and cost in order to choose the machine that suits oneself. At the same time, attention should also be paid to the maintenance and upkeep of the machine to ensure the smooth progress of production. In addition to machine selection, quality control during rapeseed oil processing is also very important. Here are some key quality control points. Oil quality. Rapeseed oil processing involves the selection and treatment of oil. Oil should be selected without impurities and kept dry, ventilated, and protected from insect infestations during storage and transportation.